Okay, so here's Excelsior Pass Wallet for New Yorkers. So you can use this app to show the proof of vaccinations for New Yorkers or negative test results. So you can just tap Get and install it easily with Touch ID or Face ID or just password. And it's only 4 megabytes, so it doesn't require a lot of space. And then you can just open it up. You need to accept terms and conditions. And then you need to go to your pass. So you need to go to the website, get my website. But yeah, probably it is only available. This website is only available in United States or New York area, so it will identify by ID. But anyways, you need to get your pass on the website, and then you can just tap add a pass, and then you can just basically scan pass QR code, use the camera, and then just scan the code and add a pass here, and then you'll just have all this pass here collected. You can set pass expiration alerts. You can add a pass from here, and you can set notification, and that's that. So I think this app is for New Yorkers only, but that's the way how many these apps work. In case you need to show proof of vaccination, or you need to show some tests or all of that. So that's how it works. I'm not sure if you can use it outside of New York or all of that, but yeah, so it's similar to airline boarding pass. So you just have all of these certificates in your mobile phone, and you don't need to print and copy them and just bring them in your physical wallet. So you have this digital wallet which you can use and show. So that's that. Hope it is helpful.